my name is Elena Volkova, and I will show you the improvements that we did in the code generator. So during previous sprint, we have started to work and improve our code generator to be compliant with Clang-Tidy, and during this sprint we have made another step into this direction, and we have added support for bug-prone-sizeof-expression. So we have addressed this kind of warning if it is possible to be reported on our generated code, and we have found such places and fixed them. So here is a small example where we are using size-off in the generated code. And now I am talking about the code which is not defined by the user, but which is created by our code generator. For example, here we have in the generated code in a C++ file for class 1, we are generating this size-off call when we initialize RT object class structure. And this is a type descriptor that provides information about the type. We here in this size-off, we should compute the size of the type for which we are generating this type descriptor. And if we have a type def, for example, like this class 1 PTR, this is a type def of class 1, then we are also generating size-off for class 1 PTR. And class 1 PTR is a type def of a pointer. The same can happen also in for type aliases. Here we also have an alias type pointing to a pointer, and we are also computing a size-off. So this is a completely valid situation for our generated code. But if we now check what this bug-prone-sizeof-expression, which situations it addresses, this check. So we have suspicious usage of size of char star and suspicious usage of size of a pointer. So these situations are considered as suspicious. But for our case, in our generated code, we know that we did it on purpose. So this is how it should be. And the solution for this case would be to generate suppressions. So suppressions will be generated only for type def and type alias types, because in these cases, users can specify any type in implementation of a type def or type alias, and it can be in particular a pointer, for example. So this is controlled by a preference for C++ code generation, code compliance Clang-Tidy. And now if I set this preference and generate code again, then I can see that now for a pointer type def, on this particular line where we are calling a size-off, we have added a suppression that will disable the warning for this particular line 54. So the same was generated also for a type alias. So here it is also a pointer, and we are also suppressing it. But for normal classes, this is not generated because in this case, this is not needed.